Now look at Apple. Remap. Right here. If Apple breaks 179.85, it's lights out. See it? Map it
Yep.
on the fly. Map it as you go. Tesla's getting ready to break. Same thing. If Tesla now breaks this 249.71, lights out. There it goes. Bye-bye. Crashy, crashy. See you later. Hasta la vista. You're out of here.
Yeah, everything is pulling, coach.
Well, what do you know? As I'm calling it, telling you if Apple breaks this 85, it's gone. It's going to drop hard. Look at Tesla crash. I told you on 79, Tesla lights out. SPY has already indicated on our trading view indicators. The downside on SPY has already been triggered. Good luck. Congratulations. Very nice. Let me break down your SPY for you. Scalpers. Right here. SPY right here, 448.79, followed by the 200 at 46. If that breaks, you're looking at a major support level at 448 again. Think about it. If I looked at Apple and I charted it here, see how this is bad for me on this side? And remember, we can't have a break 61. It's all spelling doomsday over here for me, right?